In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Grammarly app effectively. Let's dive in and ensure your writing is as polished as possible with this handy tool. First things first, you'll need to access Grammarly. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Grammarly homepage. Take a moment to browse around. Familiarizing yourself with the interface can really help you make the most of what Grammarly has to offer. Now, let's get Grammarly installed on your desktop. Head over to the Apps section on the website. If you're operating on Windows, click Install for Windows. This step-by-step process will guide you through the desktop installation, allowing you to take advantage of Grammarly outside your web browser. Having Grammarly integrated into your desktop applications can significantly boost your productivity and ensure error-free writing across various platforms. But we're not stopping there. To keep Grammarly readily available for all your web-based tasks, you'll want to add it as a Chrome extension, especially useful while surfing the web or jotting down quick thoughts. Go back to the Grammarly interface, locate the option to install for Chrome, and then simply click on Add to Chrome. Once you're prompted, go ahead and click Add Extension. This will incorporate Grammarly's tools directly into your browser, offering real-time feedback as you type online. To streamline access even further, pinning the Grammarly extension in your browser's toolbar is highly recommended. This makes sure that Grammarly is just a click away whenever you need it, without having to navigate away from your current tasks. With Grammarly properly set up, it's time to put it to work. Open a Google Docs file or any other document you're working on, and you'll soon spot the Grammarly icon appearing somewhere on your screen for quick access. Click on the icon and watch as Grammarly begins to work its magic. The tool will start by analyzing your text, offering real-time suggestions to elevate your writing. As these suggestions pop up, make sure to click on them. Whether it's fixing a typo, correcting grammar, or even suggesting style improvements. Take the time to review each recommendation and apply them accordingly. This hands-on interaction not only improves the current document, but also helps you learn different ways to refine your text. With this powerful tool at your disposal, you're well on your way to enhancing your writing efficiently and effectively. The more you engage with Grammarly, the more proficient your writing becomes, gradually making polished writing second nature. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find Grammarly as helpful as I do in your writing journey.